Hello and welcome to Think Like a Designer, a crash course in design fundamentals for nonprofits. My name is Kara Plichnich and I've been a design geek for over 20 years now, and I've been teaching for nearly just as long with courses on everything from photography to Photoshop and InDesign to Illustrator. You know, while some people go to school to become designers, some of us find ourselves in the role more unexpectedly. And if you're someone whose job description suddenly includes design responsibilities, you may be an accidental designer, and this course is for you. It's all about introducing you to core design principles and showing you how to recognize and apply them to real-world projects. In other words, this course is about design theory and how to think like a designer. It's not about the software. Speaking of software, I'll be using a mix of Adobe applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign to create the course projects. But you can work in whatever application you feel comfortable with. If you're new to all this and you don't know your way around the main Adobe apps yet, I encourage you to check out my other courses right here at TechSoup. And in the meantime, you can absolutely 100% also work your way through this course using the free beginner-friendly app, Adobe Express. My hope is that this class will be as fun as it is informative. So there are no silly questions and no egos. I have a plan, obviously, but it's flexible and we can steer our discussions wherever your questions lead us. I'm excited you're here and I look forward to seeing you in class and helping you to think like a designer.